What's up you guys, it's Alan and I'm back with another video. Today I have a surprise packaging from the guys at Adidas Originals, and man do I love the box. It's themed after a cereal box. It feels like breakfast, like if it was like a matcha flavored, I don't know, something. So anyway, I've earlier done a review of an Ozweego, a proper in-depth early pair review, and that will be on my channel. I'll leave the link right here. Now this one is yet another early pair from the kind folks at Adidas Originals, and this is part of a 4 or 5 color pack that's launching on the 8th of August, and they've got some insane colorways, so excited to find what I have. But let's look at the box. It says powered by the past right here, inspired by the original 90s DNA, best consumed by creators, 100% Adidas Originals. They got like some nice branding stuff right there. And of course on the back you have your Ozweego 3. And this one is just like the nutrient contents on a box of cereals. What does it say? Past 93, future 2019, technology Adiprene Plus, category running lifestyle. So the original Ozweego was a running shoe, but the new one is obviously a lifestyle shoe, reinvented for Generation Z. I'm too old for this, aren't I? Let's get this out of the box because now I'm keen to see what colorway I've got. Let's slide this out. Ooh. Fresh packaging. There you have it, the Ozweego in a black and gold colorway. Now, one thing I must tell you guys right out of the bat, from the earlier experiences with the Ozweego pair, damn comfy, damn freaking comfy. There are minimal construction differences, otherwise it's more or less the same shoe. You have your Adiprene Plus sole. It's mostly the midsole, super comfy, like you would see on Yeezy 500. Neoprene heel tab with some suede construction, a proper mesh forefoot, midfoot, and heel area. We've got neoprene lining on the inside, rope laces, a leather paneling on top here, where you also have reflective hits underneath this leather paneling. On the side right here, there's suede and more 3M hits on this. The 3 stripes are made out of like a fabric, feels like nylon, and that's it I guess. You have a proper leather tongue, and obviously your translucent milky white piping runs throughout the shoe. The new colorways of the Ozweego drop on the 8th of August, so stay tuned to that. Shout out to the guys at Adidas for sending through yet another fire pair. I'm going to be creating some content along with them that's going to go up on Instagram and so on, so can't wait for that. That's about it, just a quick video to let you know about the new colorways of the Ozweego that are coming out. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button of course, and if you like sneakers pulled out from the archives, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Oh, I'm not going to do an on-feed or whatever because you've seen, or should I? Yeah, fine, I'll do it on feet as well.